Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I cook Filipino foods. One is a Sinangag na Kanin, is a garlic fried rice, and corned beef Guisado, which is a potato and corned beef dish. So I'll show you how I cook. I'm not sure I cook it perfectly, but let me know if you think I could have done better with some other ingredients. So let's dive in. First, grab about 2 cups of your leftover rice. Next up, our flavor powerhouse, the garlic. And lastly, it's optional but highly recommend to put green onion. Heat your large pan over medium heat, then add in about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is warm, add garlic in and cook it, stirring often until it turns beautifully golden and smells absolutely incredible. As soon as the garlic is golden, add in your day-old rice. Make sure to break up any clumps as you go and start stir-frying. We want to heat it through and get those grains lightly toasted. Now for seasoning, we'll add about half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it well, ensuring every grain gets that perfect savory balance. And just like that, our incredible garlic fried rice is ready. Look at those beautiful golden grains and those crispy garlic bits. And then lastly, I put my green onion garnish so it enhances the flavor. I heard Filipinos often enjoy this dish with a fried egg, so I top mine with a sunny side up for extra protein. Now let's dive into making corned beef guisado. You will only need a few simple ingredients: corned beef, a potato, an onion, mid-size, mine was pretty big, minced garlic, oil, and of course salt and pepper. To start, we need to get this corned beef can open. I will admit this style of can was a first for me, and Vinny actually had to lend a hand. If you find yourself in the same boat, don't worry, here's how you open it. For potato, we will peel and dice 2 large potatoes into even bite-sized pieces. We want them roughly the same size so they cook evenly. Next, for our aromatics, we'll slice 1 medium onion. Originally, you have to put shallot, but it's very hard to get a shallot in America, or it's very pricey as well, so you can substitute with onion. Mine was large onion, so I did not use all onion. Now let's start cooking. Heat your large pan over medium heat, then add in about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. First, we are going to get those potatoes perfectly crispy. Add your diced potato to the hot oil and cook, stirring occasionally for about 8 to 10 minutes until they are beautifully golden and cooked through. Once they're done, remove them and set them aside. In the same pan, quickly saute your minced garlic until it's wonderfully fragrant, about 30 seconds. I actually had to switch my pan because I burnt a little bit. Next, add in your sliced shallot or onion and cook until it's soft and translucent. Finally, add in your corned beef. Gently break it up with your spoon or spatula and stir it in well to combine with all those amazing aromatics. Now let's bring it all together. Return those beautiful golden potatoes to the pan with corned beef. Season with about a teaspoon of ground black pepper and half teaspoon of salt. Stir everything together until it's perfectly combined and hot, cooking for another 3 to 5 minutes. Now my corned beef guisado is ready to serve. I heard this dish is very popular and comforting staple in Filipino household, especially for breakfast.
I like the garlic rice.
Mm, very clean.
These two, not bad.
Let me know how I could have improved better. Mm.
You could have cooked more.
돼지접시.
Mhm.
Mm.
The rice is good.
Mm. Success?
I think so.
Mm. Thank you for recommending me the recipe. Sinanggang sinanggang
Sinangag na kanin.
sinanggang na kanin. Sinanggang na kanin, which is a No, this is a Sinangag.